Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio, and I'm going on a conference. So this conference is work related, and I'm super excited because it relates back to a lot of the things that I do with my daytime job, my nonprofit, and all the community and civic engagement things that I love to do. But of course, I couldn't travel without an art bag. So as promised in my last video, I will show you what's in my travel bag that is entirely too heavy and overpacked. But let's jump into it. I'm sure you'll love this. Okay, so to start, I have my Bagallini bag that I actually purchased at TJ Maxx. And I love this bag when I want to travel light. I usually have a different bag. So let me go grab that bag and show you. So my typical bag is this bag here. I actually don't think it has a name brand. Tommy Bahama. I actually didn't even know that. I just bought it because it was cute. But I have loved this bag and I fill it to the brim. You can see that I did not even bring half of the things that I typically bring with me. Like, I don't bring any wet paint when I'm traveling because I don't know how TSA reacts to that. I don't bring any sharp objects. I don't bring anything that's like too heavy. So this is my typical bag, and it's pretty used and it fits a whole lot of things. I usually put my personal things in here or in the front, and I always carry a little measuring tape because what designer doesn't have a measuring tape? I love carrying this around. I'm not bringing it though, however, because I don't know, like, you know, sharp edges. So that's my typical bag. So let's look at my Bagallini bag. Okay, so maybe I might have a little bit too much in here, but I'm not sure. So this bag is really jam-packed, and it has 3 pockets. So these 3, ooh, what do I have in there? The receipts, not needed. And then it also comes with, it's kind of like a satchel. So if I want it to wear like on one shoulder, I can kind of remove that and put it here, which I do sometimes. I like that option. So let's start with the front pocket. Okay, so in my front pocket, because I am going on a conference, I have a ton of business cards. I won't show you the front because it has my personal information, but this is my business card, and I have a stack of these. And I have also my art business cards, which I think this is my last batch, which I'm gonna probably create new ones, but this is the front, and the back I will hide because I have my phone number on there. And I think for my new business card, I will probably erase my phone number from it. So always carry some business cards. You never know who you're gonna meet. Then in here, I have my lovely new palette that I talked about in my last video. And you can see how compact it is. Some of the things are moving around, but no, not a problem because I have my color swatch with me, and it slides on and off very easily after I spent hours trying to open it because I overpacked it. So that's that. And then also in here I have my Caran Neocolor 2s 10 pack. So these are fun as an alternative to sort of watercolor stuff. I don't have anything in my front pocket, but I'll probably put my wallet in there when I'm traveling. And let's jump into the big one. Okay, so in this big one, I have a whole lot of things. So the very first item is my markers. So I travel with like some fun outliners, some click art pens, and I also have my favorite water brush and my Tombow fine liners. So those are in there, and these are the click art and the mild liners. Okay, along with that, because I know I might be doing watercolor, I have my watercolor rag, and I brought a little bit of a larger one. I have been breaking these up into smaller ones, like half of this rag, but this is a must when you're plein air painting. Then I have my handy dandy, this was actually mints, happy little tree mints, but in here I have my oil pastels, because you never know which medium you want to get into. So those fun tins, don't throw them out, reuse them and put some fun art supplies that you can travel with. Then I have a water container and a spray container just to travel with water and wet my water pan. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this way because it keeps falling. Then I have my 2 travel brush kits, which I talk about in a previous video, but this particular one here is more of like a diverse flat brush, cat tongue hair, fine liner, and these are all my rounds. So I fell in love with this brand, the Fumu, and it's pretty good. Alright, so next in the bag of secrets is my Caran Keith Haring box with my little pizza dude. But actually in here I have my pens. So I originally had this in this container, but things were kind of busting out. So I have my Sierra pens. Am I saying that correctly? My Zebra Sarah's clip pens, actually. So I have a green, a brown, and a gray. I have my Tombow 4H pencil, and I have my Black Wing matte pencil. These two are like match made in heaven. And then I have my Blick mechanical pencil, because these are always a go-to. And then lastly, I have this fun pen. I gotta show you this. This pen is just for cuteness sake, but it is a llama, and it also has an eraser. So this is blue ink, and they mentioned that it's erasable. It doesn't erase too well, but it's for fun. It was way too expensive, but no problema. I'm so corny. Okay, so that's that. Oh yeah, and I also have my Tombow sharpener. Very handy. And then last but not least, I have my sketchbooks. So I bring 3 just in case, and actually one of these is just a sketching pad or paper pad. So this one's Aquarello 100% cotton hard press, cold press paper, and I love to just be able to kind of make paintings and like not have it be attached to my sketchbook sometimes. So because I know I'm going to be painting with watercolor, and I know the pan that I'm using is not the best with hot press, so I brought my cold press. And usually my hot press I bring for my gouache, but I'm not bringing that this time. Then I have my MD paper sketchbook, which I did a video on, and I love this paper. This paper is awesome. I'm like halfway through the book, a quarter of the way through the book, and I love that it picks up so many like different mediums without bleeding through. But I'm super excited. I probably won't be using this for paints. This is strictly for inks and markers and pencils, but that one's fun. Of course, I have my swatch for my watercolor just in case if I need to reference it. And this is a good example of what it looks like with hot press. So this is the hot press paper and the watercolor, and it kind of is a little bit sketchy in like painterly way, but you can see the difference. And then last but not least, the Golden Girl, the one and only Hanamulla sketchbook. This is my go-to sketchbook. I love this sketchbook. This is like my third one, and I have a lot of pages to fill. Can't wait to give you a sketchbook tour. But this is also hot press, but like in the middle. It's not too hot press. I don't know what the difference is. I'll put a little snippet here, but the Aquarello is 140-pound paper, and this one is a little bit smoother, so it's like the happy medium of hot press and cold press, and I love this. Okay, I'm so excited. Before my trip, let's see which one I get. These ones are so cute. I just saw them closer to the checkout by Target, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god. I got her! Oh my god! I finally got a Kuromi. So cute. She's like a unicorn. It's this one right here. Oh my god, I want all of them now. I love this pastel color. Alright, so that's everything that I carry with me in my little Baggallini bag. Very compact, thin. You can see how much space is in here. I could carry some cards. It is secure, but I keep that separately. I have my cards in there, and then I have another pocket in here. I love traveling with this bag whenever I need to. And this is all that fits in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.